Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, I would like to say thank you for watching our video presentation about Smart ASN. Before each of us present about Smart ASN, let me introduce our group. We are participants in the basic training for civil servant candidates Kabupaten Tangerang, Provinsi Banten 2022, batch 69, Group 1. Our group members consist of first, ARIEF SATIAWAN S.K.M. 2. Anastasia Aditya Sembiring S.K.M. 3. Esti Supriyatin S.K.M. 4. Dr. Gigi Nadia Darawiladatika, and the last me Nurse Jenny Nursaada S.Kep. Okay, please enjoy watching our video presentation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is ARIEF SATIAWAN, participant of Latsar CPNS 69 2022 on Kabupaten Tangerang. Okay guys, I want to share about integrity. What is the integrity? Many people say that integrity is the same as honestly, but it is not. These two things have a different definitions. Based on Parmenpan RB number 60 2020, the integrity is the consistency of behavior that is in line with organization value, norm, or and ethics, and being honest in relationship with leader, co-workers, stakeholder, and direct subordinate. In the past, my boss always said that integrity is matched between thought, words, action, and conscience, which is reflected in one's daily activity. The integrity is expected to be able to encourage the creation of a high ethical culture, being responsible for actions or decisions at the risk behind them. And the integrity of ASN can be measured from honestly, compliance with law and regulations, ability to work together, and service to the community, state, and nations. The example of the integrity action can be taken by ASN. Is no corruptions. Okay. Say no to corruptions. Then consistent in implementing ASN disciplinary rules and working with the best performance. Okay, thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, Shalom. Please allow me to first introduce myself. I'm Anastasia Aditya Sembiring, representative Tangerang District Governance Office in Banten. On this occasion, I will go over the material on the third agenda Smart ES and indicators, particularly nationalism. Nationalism is the second indicator of Smart ESN. Nationalism, what is it? This can be interpreted as a perspective of or understanding of the affection Indonesians have their country and homeland based on the admirable principle of Pancasila. Every ESN must be able to put Pancasila's value, such as those of divinity, humanity, unity, democracy, and justice, into reality when performing their daily duties. And this environment, the emergence of sense of oneness among citizens of many ethnicities, faith, social economies, classes, and races, would be influenced by the nationalism developing strange. I believe that every ESN soul need to have a strong nationalism attitude, and ESN should be the major objective of boosting the development of nationalism in an effort to open up to condition of disintegration. Thank you.
One of the smart ASN indicators is professionalism. The definition of professional, according to Atmadi, is an adjective word from profession, which is mean very capable of doing job. The person who is doing professional means he already known, capable, and has willing to responsible. Meanwhile, professionalism is usually being used in various ways with the word of professional. Professional itself means quality and attitude of professional person. We are a civil servant, not only must be skillful in our job, but also we must have moral and ethics in it. Characters of professional person is the first, professional commitment. This is very important to build sense of responsibility for work. It involves all aspects in professional person such as diligent, resilient, and serious on doing his job. And the second is high work discipline. The discipline is not always triggered by outside environment. High work discipline occurs from the inside of its person. Being self-disciplined in terms of time and being perseverance in finishing the task and also stick on the plan is good for ourselves and others. And the third is high work discipline. Professional person will not ever doing the corruption, fraud, and so on. Just the things outside the value and professional demands.
Hi, I'm Nurse Jenny Nursada S.K.M. I will resume the Smart ASN indicator about global insight. What is the global insight? Insight is a deep view or attitude toward an essence, while global can be interpreted worldwide. So, global insight is a global view or attitude. The state civil apparatus with a global perspective is here defined as a bureaucratic organ that is able to see beyond the rigid walls where it works through a round, comprehensive view and is able to find and use development or other innovation that exist both on a national and international scale. One of the priorities of Indonesia government bureaucratic until 2024 is to release world-class state civil apparatus competencies. So, a state civil apparatus must be able to think open-minded and be able to create innovation. With global insight, it is hoped that ASN can build an adaptive mindset and support flexibility and innovation.
Hello, let me introduce my name. My name is S.D. Supriyatin. As a public health promoter in Puskesmas Cikuya, today I will explain about mastering technology information and foreign language.
As young generation, we must master information technology to realize good governance. Mastering information technology in smart civil servant is often referred to as digital literacy, namely, a user who has good digital literacy skills is not only able to operate digital media, but is also capable of digital media with full responsibility. Okay, digital literacy competence is not only seen from the ability to use digital media or digital skills, but also digital culture, digital ethics, and digital safety. Example of inappropriate use of digital are cyberbullying, hate speech, but when the use of digital media is used properly, it can facilitate work and maximize economic value. Language is the main communication tool used by humans. Mastering foreign language is the current era of global trade is very necessary. As young people, it is necessary to maximize their potential by mastering foreign language in order to maximize information and communication. According to ethnologue, English is the most widely used language in the world in 2021, followed by Chinese, Spanish, and Arabic.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this time, I will share about hospitality. Many people think that hospitality is the same with hospital. No, that's wrong. Hospitality is not like that. According to Henry G. M. Nowen, hospitality means the host attitude is friendly to his guests. Okay, so that it can be make the atmosphere of relax. In the word of ASN, hospitality is a good character, good manner, good speech, and polite attitude is carrying out work activities in order to provide excellent service to the community. Having hospitality spirits means managing good relation between ASN and the community. Therefore, hospitality is very important for every ASN because the main text of ASN is the serve the community. Hospitality can be implemented by applying 5S, being patient when dealing with complaint, being helpful, friendly to customer, respectful, and serving them with love. Okay, that's enough. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi everyone, come back with me Anastasia. This time, I'll go over the Entrepreneurial Spirit, the 7 Smart ASN Indicator. Entrepreneurship is the process of using creativity and innovation to take advantage of opportunities and resources already available in others to bring about change. This action is taken, of course, is an effort to prevail in healthy competition with other parties, but is also done in effort to create extra value for oneself, others individuals, or the organization. Every ASN must adopt an entrepreneurial mindset in this situation in order for the institution or organization to advance through the emerge of fresh ideas. The entrepreneurial spirit that needs to be posed by ASN include courage, creativity, innovation, never give up, smart in capturing and creating opportunities. The entrepreneurial spirit can also be understood as how we think about the future of many people, individual life, and how we can bring prosperity to society and ways to improve it. Hopefully, ASN not just being an administration, but also be able to think creative and productive in its future, so as to provide maximum service for community benefit and the success of regional development. Thank you.
Ability to build networking is very important for smart ASN. Networking is one of the ways how civil servants having relationship or make network with many people or organization. We must build synergy and building partnership by giving opportunity for others to contribute, open to collaborate to achieve high value and drive utilization of any resources for a common goal. Networking is a popular term, especially for people who often deal with networks. This term describes the processes involved in designing, implementing, improving, managing, and working with networks and network technologies. Furthermore, networking is defined as the exchange of information, knowledge, and ideas between one person and another within a profession or across profession. And what to do in relation to the position of civil servants and network is we must keep to continue upgrade our information and knowledge, build networks both in formal and informal contexts.
Okay, it can be concluded that it's important for us to understand smart civil servant as candidate for civil servant in order to realize good government. As Mr. Hill Harvard said, believe in yourself, work hard, work smart, and passionately present your best to the world. Hopefully, the value of smart civil servant can be implemented in our daily life. Okay, thanks to the tutor, Mr. Haji Endan, Suwandana, S.K.M, Ph.D, and friends who are listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.